It's time to paint a unicorn, so make sure you've got access, and then we just start with a nice circle. And after that first circle, we just do 3 little simple shapes and the unicorn horn. And look how fast, there it is, the unicorn already. Once you have that sketch in place, we're just going to use a filbert brush to put in the mane. Remember that hair grows out of the head. It isn't just being on top of the white powder, but we actually go beyond it. This part's really fun. You just throw some strokes here, there, and everywhere, and it ends up looking good. Now we're going to throw in a few little extra pieces. A unicorn is so circular, but we want to extend the design. So I do that with just a little bit of fun line work. This is also a really great way to practice your lines. I've started putting line work on top of the hair, and this is really fun. You can do it in white, or you can do it in a darker pink, whatever color you want. Even blue you could do on top of this, it doesn't matter. But just add a few little wispy curls, and it's all there. Now we're going to outline. As you do the outlines, make sure that you're not just following the powder base. You are doing whatever you think is going to look the best. Now, often I ask the kid to not smile at this part because it makes it harder to get everything to line up just right. But we just trace around the outer edge, and then we put in 2 circles for the eye and then fill in between those circles. On this one, we had a chance for a few cute little lashes, and I'm even gonna go in with a little bit of blue to give her a beautiful blue eye. You can see that it's just these simple strokes. Now that we have a bright white, we can go in for a couple little highlights, a few little twinkle dots that bring this unicorn to life. And it's glitter time. This design is so fast, and it's one that kids just love. They keep asking for it, and I keep painting it because it is one of my absolute favorites.
Okay, do you want to see?
Oh, I look so cute.
Yeah, you do.
It perfectly fits on these little chubby cheeks, and I love them so much. Every unicorn has its own personality, and you can dress it up or speed it up. Either way, they are terrific. I hope you give this little pony a try.